we good?
Okay, we're gonna light the Bunsen burner. Okay, it's on.
Don't ever hold a match by its side.
Okay, now here's the proper way how to heat the oil flame. That's not the proper term for it, but that is what I call it. Okay.
Proper way to hold this is by the bottom, and you want to make sure you have a blue flame. And you can't see this on the film probably, but there's an inner cone of like blue. You want to get that inner cone to touch the proper part, which is right there.
And go ahead.
You want to keep continuous motion to heat this one spot, because the oil is going to warm up right here, go to the top, warm your solution or solid, and go back down. The trick to this is patience, because you don't want to heat it too fast.
You want to watch the computer.
If you overshoot your goal, then your data is going to be off, and you won't misidentify your salad.
Right, and that's important. You have to make sure that you don't overshoot it, and if you do, you need to do another test, because it's not going to be accurate.
And notice how the temperature probe and the salad are right at like the perfect meeting point where the hot oil hits it and goes back down.
And what you're looking for is you want to watch the solid very, very closely, and as soon as it starts disappearing, that's the point you want to take the temperature at.
Alright.
So this will continue for a while until you get the temperature that it melts at.
Make sure you don't light, and also one thing to point out is you see this burnt rubber right there? That's because people used rubber stands and heated this up with like the rubber on it, so you want to make sure you put like a wet paper towel on it, or a metal stand in general, so you don't melt it and be a fail.
Has the solid melted?
Not yet.
Okay, well eventually it will melt, and that is when you figure it out.
Look for that picture.